Hey, it's Blake. Blake Nelson, Keller Williams. Got another great listing that I want you to see. And this one's a great opportunity. You've got the row homes of Boston meets the Missouri wetlands right here in Kansas City. We've got a fantastic opportunity that I want to tell you about. 3 bedroom, 3 bath. So that's 1 bedroom for every bathroom. 2-car garage, only about 10 years new. It shows great, fresh paint, new carpet, ready to go. And look at this view. This is incredible. So I'll also let you know, I'm about 2 miles from the airport. I get it, you haven't been at the airport this week, last week, and you're not going next week, but soon enough, when this world's put back together, you're going to want to get to that airport again. So come check this out, maintenance provided, and price, seller price, $210,000 on the market, and it'll sell fast. Come on in, let me show you.